Next topic we are discussing that visualizing the nation. Each and every country or state they started to make a vision about their country, or people can observe that one as in the form of paint or statue like that. Mariana and Germania were the both female allegories used by artists in 19th century to represent the nation. Mariana from France and Germania from Germany, and both was female pictures, that is making that like that in allegories, not comparing, but they are making their own some attribution to that ladies who is representing their own nation. In France, she was named as Mariana, and a popular Christian name which underlined the idea of people's nation. What was the idea of the Mariana in France? That is idea of people's nation. Her characteristics were drawn from those of liberty and republic, in the red cap, tricolor flag, and cockade. Then statue of Mariana was erected in public square as the national symbol of unity. Then Mariana image was marked as on a coin and stamp also. We can see with the Mariana, that figure or that image, what it mean, that is giving the idea to the people, that is the people's nation. It is what we are going to make, that is people's nation, or France is a people's nation, like that. Then we can see the characteristics given by the attributes given to Mariana, that is two things, liberty and republic. In that we can see that is symbolizing with the help of red cap, tricolor flag, and cockade. And then the statue where they are erecting, that is in public square as a national symbol of unity. What it means, why they kept in the public place or public square, so everybody can see that one, then they will feel like that we are one. Then Marian image was marked in coins and stamps. What they was using as a coins and stamps, in that also they printed her image or marked that one. So everybody's hand it will in everybody's hand it will reach in the form of coin or stamp. So that what they are seeing in the public square, so they will get maximum personification or attachment with that figure. Instead of just having the idea fatherland, they wanted to implement suitable image in the minds of the people. Okay, in the starting of the French Revolution, they said like that fatherland. And not only because of that fatherland, they won't feel like that they are one or they are brothers and sisters. So they want to make a suitable image to in the minds of the people, for what to feel that they are one or they are in part of one nation. They invariably chose the mother figure symbolizing nation Britannia. And why they are selecting the mother figure, that is very close relation with for each and every person, if it is male or female or aged one or adolescent or a small kid, for everyone mother figure it is a much giving attach or attraction of, because of that one all countries, even India or Germany or France, every country, whenever they try to represent their country, given that form in the form of lady figure or mother figure. Then that we can see in Britain and Germania and Mariana means Britannia, that is for Britain, Germania for German, then Mariana for France. Remind us our concept of Madhrubhumi, means what we are saying, like that in India we are calling it is Madhrubhumi. Madhru means that is mother's land, like that. That is not father's land. Instead of father's land, they have started to associate with mother's land. Germania became the allegory of the German nation. Germania wear a crown of oak leaves. Be careful, oak leaves, as the German oak stands for heroism. For German people, oak tree and oak leaves, it shows the heroism. So the Germania, she is wearing a crown of oak leaves, and it was a hug from a ceiling at St. Paul's Church, where the Frankfurt Parliament was covenanted, and symbolized the liberal revolution, where it kept that picture of Germania, that is in St. Paul's Church in Frankfurt, because they only the first parliament meeting, they came for first parliament meeting, and it is symbolizing the liberal revolution, giving the maximum liberty to the people. So we was discussing how they made the visualizing the nation. If you are getting 3 mark question, even 5 mark question, if you are writing these points with some of the some more explanation, it is enough. This is the nutshell of the topic, that is the visualizing the nation. Okay, we will continue in next video.